This video is for the 7th grade blog project assignment 1. First, you're going to go to Weebly.com and you're going to click on login in the top right corner. And then you're going to click on G login to log in with your Google account. Now, if you've used Weebly before, you're going to click on the plus sign and click on add site. Otherwise, if you haven't, you're going to skip this because that part's not going to come up. But you will do this part. So what's going to happen is you're going to click on I just need a website. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on Other. And then click on Modern and Elegant. And click on Start Editing in the top right corner. So then what you're going to do is just type in what you want your URL to be. So for example, I'm just going to do CF blogs to show you. And you can use dashes, but you can't use any other special characters. You're going to click on Search. And then from here, you're going to click on the bottom Choose button. And then click on Done. What you're going to do next is you're going to add your partner as an editor. So you're going to click on Settings. And then click on Editors on the left-hand side. And then you're going to click on Add Editor. And then you'll type in your partner's email address. Just make sure that you spell it correctly. And then what you'll do next is click on Save Editor in the bottom right corner. And next what you're going to do is you're going to click on Build up at the top. And you're going to just put your pointer where it says My Site and click on Off. Then what we're going to do next is click on Pages. And we're going to delete every page except for the blog page. So you're going to click on Home, click Delete, click Delete. Click Shop, Delete, Delete. About, Delete, Delete. Contact, delete, delete. Okay, so now we're just left with the blog page. So you're going to click on blog, and then you're going to change the header type. You're going to click the drop down arrow next to no header, and you're going to choose header instead. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on build up at the top. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to click where it says click here to edit. And you're going to just simply type in the name of your blog. So for example, this one is CNF Blogs. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to scroll down to where it says author. You're just going to rest, you're going to click on it and then, or sorry, just rest your pointer on it and a little X will appear. You're going to click on that and then click on delete. So then next what you're going to do is you're going to add a new blog post. So you're going to click on new post in the bottom right corner. And then you're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then where it says post title, this is where you can put your About Us post. So you just type in About Us, and then you're going to click and drag a text box to go in the white space under About Us. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back over to your blog template. And your blog template, you're just going to click and drag to highlight your About Us post. So you should have like kind of your rough draft or your blog template open in another tab. So you're going to highlight and then hit Control-C on your keyboard. Click back over to the Weebly tab. Click where it says click here to edit. And then hit Control-V on your keyboard. So now you've got your About Us post. You're going to click on Post up at the top. And then click on Close. Next, you're going to click on New Post, again in the bottom right corner. And then what you're going to do is add your first topic where it says post title. So for example, mine is Instagram and depression. So then what you're going to do is copy your post. Anyway, before we do that though, we're going to need to add a text box. So we're going to click and drag a text box here underneath the title. Then we're going to click back over to the rough draft, and then we're just going to click and drag to highlight the topic 1 post, hit Control C, and then click back over to Weebly, click where it says click here to edit, and Control V to paste. You're going to click on post up at the top and close again. And then we're going to add our last post. So we're going to click on new post at the bottom. And then we're going to add the post title. So click where it says post title. And basically what this is can people sell your Instagram photos? And so then what we're going to do, once we add our title, we're going to click and drag a text box to go underneath it. And then from here, we're going to click back over to the blog template, and we're going to click and drag to highlight your topic 2 post, Control C to copy it, and then click back over to the Weebly tab, click where it says click here to edit, and then Control V to paste. And then we're going to click on post up at the top. So then we click on close again, and then so we should have all 3 of our posts. What we're going to do is change the photo. So you're going to click on the photo and then click on edit background and then click on replace. And then from here what you're going to do is click on search. And so for example, I'm just going to go ahead and type in social media, since all of the posts in this blog are social media related. You're going to click on explore free photos. And so again, there's going to be kind of some random ones, but you're going to go ahead and pick a photo that you like. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one right here. So just click on select when you find the photo that you want. And then you do have the ability to move it around. So if you just click and drag, you can kind of move it around. So like that, for example. You do have the ability to darken it if you can't read your text. You know, if you've got white text, you want to have a darker background. And then click on save up at the top. And that's it.